Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, born in New Tibet, recognized at the age of 2, enthroned at the age of 5, taken for political leadership at 15, following the Chinese occupation of Tibet. Fled to India and sought asylum at 25. We need you, Tibetans need you, Buddhists need you, the whole world needs you. You have promised to live till 113. Let's pray for his long life. Oh, Mani Padma. Buddha of compassion, champion of world peace, promoter of religious harmony. The world has never seen a leader like you. Let's pray for his long life. Om Mani Padma.